Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to find how much RAM is installed on a Windows 11. Guys, very easy and simple method. First, right click on start and here you see task manager. Click on it and here you see option. Click on it and here you see so many other options. Something, some PC. Here you see is installing storage. In my case, I will see here memory. And here you see so many are there. Bus speeds, so are they. This way, guys, you can do how to find how much RAM is installing on my window. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel for latest updates. Please comment this video useful or not.